Hi guys. Today you guys don't need to wear headphones because today I'm just going to be making like a handsaw guide, and I'm going to be using the chop saw, so that's a little bit too loud for headphones. So yeah, all you need is a piece of wood like this. Doesn't matter what size it is, just has to be like this big. And then you need like a skinny piece to go on the back like this. So you just need to screw this onto there. So I will go get a drill. I'll be right back. So this is what you need. You need a drill and then like a driver. So yeah, and then you need some drill bits, and then you need some drill drivers. So yeah, let's get to cutting. So we need to make this piece as long as this, and then we will need to make a cut right in the center of this after we drill this piece or screw this piece onto this board. So right now, let's mark this piece. Gotta get it lined up, and then mark it right there. Okay, now let's go cut that. So we need to cut right on that line. So let's do that now. So now it is cut. I didn't cut exactly on that mark because you're not supposed to when you're doing woodworking, just in case if you have to cut a little bit off when you need to. So now let's go back to that other workbench and screw this down. Okay, now we need to put this piece onto this piece. So what I like to do first is see which side we're going to use, which it doesn't really matter. So we need to put that onto there, flip this around, and then get the right size of drill bit that we are going to use for these and pre-drill a hole so that the wood does not split. So let's use this one. It's a little bit too big. Well, let's just go for it. Okay, let's use this one. Put that in the drill bit, or drill, not drill bit. Okay, and then we need to pre-drill the holes and mark up where you want to put the screws in. Do not put any in the middle here, because that's where we're going to run the chop saw. So now we just pre-drill the holes. And it doesn't matter if I'm drilling into this because this is an old workbench. So if you have a nice workbench, then put something underneath it so that it won't make holes like that. Just like that. Oh, did I mention that this was going to be a handsaw guide, so I can cut pieces of wood easily with a handsaw. So now we need to put this on there and then pre-drill holes in that board just a little bit. Just a little ways, because we don't want it to go all the way through. Okay, then drill them just a tiny bit more deeper. Not too deep. Okay. And then we need to put the screws in here. Let's only put 2 and on the corners first. Put that on. Oh shoot. Okay, never mind. Now we need to get the right driver. Okay. Get the right drill bit. And extension, because I'm not using the giant one. So now, first put the drill bit in the drill, and that screw fell out, but that's okay. Put that back in, and then screw these together. Oh, come on. I think I'd be fine there. See? I drilled them way too deep. I think it'll still work though. So now that that's on there, we need to make a slit here for the handsaw to go in. So let's go over to the chop saw and let's make that slit. Okay, now we are going to make a slit right in the center. Doesn't have to be perfectly in the center, just has to be somewhat in the center. Hold this board just in case if it flies out, and then hold this board too. So hold them at the same time. And just like that, we have a handsaw guide. So, let's see if a handsaw would fit in that. So the handsaw what I like to use is this or the hacksaw. So, let's see if this would fit. Oof, that's pretty loose. but it does sort of work. And I forgot one step, actually. You're supposed to glue it together, too. So, yeah, let's fix this. So, I am going to get the wood glue, and then I'm going to move this screw over to here, and then this screw over to here. So let me get the wood glue really quick, and then I'll be back. Okay, so the wood glue is in a tie-dye bottle, so whatever, it'll still work. So now we need to unscrew these. And then, wait, keep one screw in there, and then drill a hole here. Don't want to go too deep like we did with the last one. Okay, I think that will be perfect. Now we just need to do that with this one, this side. So put that in there. And then drill a hole here. Okay, perfect. Now, I'm going to get a paintbrush so I can brush the glue on. Okay, now let's put some glue on this. And then just spread that around. Perfect. Set this somewhere. And then put the screws back in. Hopefully this time it works. If it doesn't, I'm gonna be upset. Yes. I think it's gonna work this time. Okay. Then put some glue on this one too. Probably way too much glue. Whatever. Okay, now we need to put screws back in. Okay, put this one back in. And then screw this back into place. And might want to let the glue dry. but that should work. And always put the cap back on the glue when you're done. And wash this. I'll do that after the video. So now it's time to test it. So I will go get the board and a saw, 2 saws, test 2 of them. Okay. Put the board in there like that. Put this like that. And it's perfect. You might want to like screw this down or clamp it down and clamp these to this board onto here when you saw, but it works. Okay, I'm going to clamp this down really quick. And clamp this down. Might want a 3rd clamp to hold, or 4th clamp, so you can hold it here and here. But I don't have 4 clamps, so. Works. Okay, that's going to be it for the video. So next week, my order for my motor for my Traxxas and my Losi oh gosh. Okay, Losi Baja Ray. Those are coming in next week. So I will have a video of me changing the motor in the Traxxas and then the servo in the Losi on my 2nd channel. So go check out my 2nd channel. It's called RC Guy, and yeah, subscribe to that channel and subscribe to this channel. I know this isn't a ASMR channel, or ASMR video today, but I will have more ASMR videos coming up soon. Okay, bye.